Meta to release its Twitter competitor called Threads on July 6th. App Store and Play Store already show previews. Creators have already been invited to beta test. A rotating ad in the shape of the Milky Way. That's the current screensaver on Meta's soon-to-be-launched Twitter competitor Threads. Threads.net, as Twitter might block the URL soon, similar to Substack. Since posts already were live, until Verge reported this, it might have caused the site to be not live again. I gladly was able to already take a few screenshots of the UI on the web, accessed via mobile. Screenshotted browser had a dark mode extension. It looks like Twitter, and Instagram had a laugh chart. Creators like iJustine apparently have been invited on beta tests. Accounts and handles can apparently be taken over from Instagram. The change in the ownership of Twitter seems to have sparked a variety of new short blogging platforms: Mastodon, Substack Notes, Blue Sky, Nostr, Threads, Meta's Twitter competitor.